in a nutshell, what we're trying to do at Nightingale is for children to as readily pick up aspects of the computing curriculum as they would a pencil or a ruler, to be as conversant in Mac as they are in PC or in Chromebook, recognising whether they're going to, their outcome is an ebook, whether their outcome is a piece of coding, whether their outcome is a piece of digital art, is that it's all seamless, that it all kind of ties together.
Because KUBO is all very physical and tactile, it takes away from relying completely on using screens for teaching and for learning as well. It's to show children as well that computing and coding doesn't have to be all about doing stuff on the screen. Children are very keen to code about games and to play games and things on screen. That's a very popular pastime. But when they do something that's physical, whether it's KUBO or something else that's linked to it, they actually get more out of that as well.
One of the things we like about KUBO is that it's not only teaching coding at its most basic level to our youngest children, it can also be integrated into our math lessons, it can be integrated into our story lessons.
And KUBO offers that brilliantly because it's compact, portable, and it works in any way. You can use it outside the classroom, you can use it in the playground. It doesn't rely on anything else other than just the teacher and it being charged up. What I like about KUBO that makes it different is using the TagTiles as the way of programming. So using these concrete visual guides and aids for the children to program allows them to see the program as they're creating it, and it allows them to see where the problems are if it doesn't work as they expect. And then you can move on to more advanced functions and using functions and subroutines and loops, and it's just limited as to the imagination of the child as to what you can do with it.
They go straight, this one goes straight, this one goes right, and this one goes left.
What I love about KUBO is that you can see the program and they can talk about it visually with each other and about why it went wrong. You can program it didn't do what you expect it to do, what's happened, and it generates a lot of discussion and then experimenting, trying to get it to work, collaborating, being creative, all those things that we want children to learn by those techniques.
We did it last year. How about we do it from the cafeteria?
Teachers who may be a bit reluctant about dipping their toes into coding, I know that I can take this and in 15 minutes, or probably less, they're going to be coding, and quite sophisticated coding with loops as well, I think. And it's going to be something I'll teach it to them the way I'll teach it to children. So it's exactly the same, and then they can see, I can teach that to my children now.
So KUBO is, for me, simple, fun and creative.
I think KUBO is cute, adorable, and he's my favourite.
3 words to sum up KUBO for me are collaboration, creativity and fun.